So guys, as you can see, we have a single div here with the class name background image. Then inside the style section, we called for the class background image. Inside we set the width, height and background color of the div. This one. Let's add a background image to this div. So background dash image clone URL opening parenthesis closing parenthesis semicolon double single quotation. My image is inside the images folder. Then the image pic03.jpg. Save, reload. These are original image, and as you can see, we have only a portion of our image. So how to scale a background image? Write background dash size clone. There are three types of values for background size. The first one, cover. This will maintain the aspect ratio, and the image size will try to adjust with the div width and height. So save, reload. See, now the image properly scaled down while maintaining the aspect ratio. Also we can hard code the image size, suppose 50 pixel width and 150 pixel height. Save, reload. See, as the image is now small, so it's repeating. To disable the repeat, write background dash repeat clone no dash repeat. Save, reload. We can use the percentage to suppose 50% of the div width and the 100% of the div height. Save, reload. See, lastly we have another property to move the image, background dash position clone. The first one is horizontal offset, suppose 50 pixel. Then the second one vertical offset, suppose 100 pixel. Save, reload. See, it's really that simple. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.